Hey loves, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mal and we are doing some beauty contact videos today, guys. I am so excited to try on the brand new collection from Dimple Color. We have the Halo collection on our hands. This collection looked very, very beautiful online. I saw so many beautiful ads for the colors, how they look on the models, and they are stunning. So we have 3 new colors in their Halo collection, including Heavenly Hazel, Angel Gray, and Mystic Olive. These are described as a two-tone lens, and they are beautiful, natural, earthy tones. What I'm loving is how clear and transparent Dimple Color is with their images and videos on their website. I find it really refreshing to see a contact company just showing what actually the contacts look like on the models without overly edited images. So shout out to Dimple Color for that. Now, these lenses are 3-month lenses, you guys. I'm super excited about that. We get a bit of a better value. The price point is $60, that's Canadian. Dimple Color was so kind to hook up my audience with a discount code. So use my code malrie15. I'll put it right here if you want to save 15% off your entire purchase at checkout. Thank you so much to Dimple Color for hooking up that discount code, and thanks to you guys for always supporting my channel. It means a lot to me. Let's try on the first pair. I am so excited to show you Mystic Olive. Mystic Olive is described as an olive green with burnt amber highlights. Personally, I think this lens is so beautiful. It's such a stunning shade. Now, you guys, it is not a limbal ring contact. There's actually no limbal ring, but what's unique about these is they kind of create a halo effect. Dimple Color actually described it as delicately resting on your eye's limbal ring to produce a subtle halo effect that seamlessly blends for an exceptionally natural look. And I would say that is very accurate. It does give a very beautiful and natural look. The other thing that I really appreciated about this Halo collection is the pupil diameter is a bit tighter. So you're getting that nice, perfectly sized pupil that I think just looks so natural and blends seamlessly. Mystic Olive is a natural green hazel that really melts into your iris, which I think gives a very realistic appeal and effect. So let's move on to the next one. I also have Angel Gray to try on. Angel Gray is very beautiful. This is a light blue gray base color contact. Angel Gray is softened with subtle light brown overtones around the pupil, and it blends seamlessly on a dark brown eye. Now, personally, I feel like when it comes to contacts, gray is the one color where you can really tell whether it's high quality or low quality depending on how it looks in the eye. I love this Angel Gray because it blends so seamlessly with a dark eye. I think it really is giving that high quality look. This is the right way to do a gray. I love like that soft halo effect with it. I think it really accentuates the eyes in a beautiful way, and it looks natural still, which is sometimes very tricky when it comes to a gray lens. Let's move on to the last and final pair. Heavenly Hazel is a green hazel base color with a golden overtone. It's the perfect hazel to give a warm and inviting gaze. You guys know I'm obsessed with brown and hazel contacts, and this is a very, very stunning shade in my opinion. I think it would look absolutely beautiful on a wide variety of eyes, whether you have dark eyes or lighter brown eyes. So I thought it would be great to include a little wear test throughout the day for these lenses, since it's a first impressions. It's been 3 hours since I filmed. So far, the comfort level has slid down a bit. It started off at about an 8 when I first put them in, and they felt amazing, but they're feeling more like a 7.5. The main thing that I'm noticing is when I'm looking down or around and I try to look back up, I feel the contact kind of trying to find its place back on my eye. I'm not sure why that is. They don't look like they're moving at all when I'm blinking to what I can see. They still look great, but yeah, they've gotten a tiny bit less comfortable. It is 7:20 and I feel like it's a good time for another check-in. So far they're still feeling pretty good. I haven't noticed any differences than my last check-in, and yeah, I'm still wearing them. So I will see you guys at the end of the night. Hey guys, it's about 8:30 p.m. I'm back to take these lenses out. Honestly, I can't wait to take these out of my eyes. I feel like they're moving a little bit as I blink, which is really unfortunate because it is making them just a hint uncomfortable. Overall, I would give them like a 6.5 out of 10 for comfort. The other contacts that I've tried from Dimple Color in the LUNAR collection were extremely comfortable. That was like the #1 takeaway. But these, they're not feeling that comfy. So I Definitely want to take them out now. I think they would be better for like a night out when you know you're only going to be wearing them for a limited amount of time, or maybe for pictures, because they are absolutely stunning. But let's go back into the video and you guys can hear my final thoughts. I did try the LUNAR collection as well, you guys. If you want to see that video, check my description and I will link the video there. You can go watch it after this one. But let's talk final thoughts. So I've already discussed how comfortable the lenses really are, but the other thing that I noticed about this collection in particular, the Halo collection, has gorgeous earthy tones. They're very natural looking and they give such a beautiful and soft look to the eyes. I'm not usually a fan of limbal rings, so I love this halo effect that the lenses are giving. My personal favorite is Mystic Olive. When I first put these in, I absolutely loved them. I'm currently actually wearing Heavenly Hazel. Let me know what color is your guys' favorite from this entire haul. What do you guys think of the Dimple color collection? And of course, if you want to save a little extra money on your purchase, use my code malrie15 for 15% off your entire purchase. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!